Hi there, welcome back. Today I will try to fix the potentiometer on the VFO of my VX-1210. As you can see, it's not very accurate and the indents are very worn out. This can't be repaired. I previously tried to lubricate and clean it with contact cleaner, but it was not working. In order to take out or disassemble the front panel, all you have to do is take all those screws and follow this procedure. It's very simple. Now that we've removed the ground screw, you may lift the front panel. Be extremely careful because there's a flat ribbon cable. Those are very fragile and brittle after so many years. Now you have to take out the old potentiometer. This is the most difficult part. You have to be extremely careful so you don't mess up with the PCV itself. This is the replacement. You have to use a D-shaped one with 24 pulls. Before putting it on the PCV, test with your previous knob just to try if it fits perfectly. If not, you may have to sand it or file it a little bit. I'm sorry, I could not recall this while I was doing it, but take it slowly and clean it before soldering it back. And now it is ready to do the first test. Let's try it out.
But I need a confirmation of prefix. Sierra Papa 7. No copy. Charlie Sugar 2, Whiskey American.
I hope you found this useful. If so, please like and subscribe. 73.